There are 7 different ways that agents get paid here at Exp Realty. There's 5 ways that you earn through the stock, through the shares that we offer agents, because every agent here is a shareholder. Then the 6th way is the dividends. So because we hit $1 billion in one of our quarters, it's been phenomenal. We actually spread a lot of that money out amongst our shareholders. And the 7th way is the revenue share program, which when you sponsor an agent, you get to collect revenue share from the company, not from the agent's commission, but from the actual company, that when that agent sells homes, you get paid the following month.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.